You're started.
That the city of Harrisonburg plans to demolish Mabel Memorial Schoolhouse after July 1st. The city owns the property and is expanding Lucy Drive as part of the Reservoir Street project. But now a man named Adam Brink is trying to move the house instead. Carly Stevenson spoke with him. And Carly, where would the building go?
Brendan, Brink is planning on relocating the schoolhouse to his property in Augusta County, which is just a few miles past Bridgewater. It actually all started, he says, when his brother-in-law saw a posting on Craigslist asking for someone to relocate the schoolhouse. I'm going to step out of the way so you can see the schoolhouse as it stands right now. Now, Brink would move the schoolhouse with the help of his friends and family. He says that there is a septic system on his current property that could be used for another structure. Brink tells me he was drawn to that ad because of the threat of demolition.
I was really excited to help the people to get the property, or to get the house in particular, not to be demolished, but to actually use it for something useful. I don't happen to believe that eminent domain is the right way to go, and so having it somewhere else, being able to move it to my house, I've got plenty of land here, so I figured I could use it for a good purpose.
The relocation process could take anywhere from a few weeks to a month. Right now they are waiting on getting a demolition permit from the city to move it, and once they actually get out to assess the property, they have to look at gutting the property and how they will move it. Brink tells me they are looking at barn companies in the area that move barns, and they are looking for any help with that they can get. He says once they do move it, it would maybe be turned into a church meeting place or even a homeschool place. Brendan?
Thanks, Carly. We have new details.